This is a stethoscope. The doctor is listening to my heart. This is a thermometer. The nurse is checking my temperature. This is a blood pressure monitor. The doctor is checking my blood pressure. This is a syringe. The nurse is preparing a vaccine. This is a microscope. The scientist is examining a sample. This is a scalpel. The surgeon is preparing for surgery. This is a forceps. The doctor is holding a cotton pad. This is a dropper. The scientist is transferring liquid. This is a centrifuge. The machine is spinning test tubes. This is a bandage. The nurse is covering a small cut.
When a doctor wants to listen to your heartbeat during a checkup, which medical tool does he use? C. Stethoscope. If you have a fever, a nurse may use this tool to check your body temperature. A thermometer. During a health examination, the doctor wraps a cuff around your arm to check your blood pressure. Before giving a vaccine, the nurse prepares a filled with medicine. B. Syringe. A scientist wants to look at tiny bacteria that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Which tool should be used? A microscope. Which medical tool is commonly used to carefully hold a small piece of cotton during treatment? C. Forceps. A scientist needs to move a few drops of liquid into a test tube. Which tool is best? B. Dropper.